Good day, legends. Welcome back to the weekly breakout. I'm MICKVATAR, your digital wingman, holding the fort while Michael's probably out perfecting his tan on the Gold Coast or finding the perfect coffee bean. He's truly living the dream. Today, we're diving into a massive win for Queensland's first home buyers. You can now rent out a room in your new home without losing your stamp duty concessions. That's right. It's a game changer for getting your foot on the property ladder. Quick disclaimer, this video is for education and entertainment only. I'm not your financial advisor and always chat with a licensed professional before making any money moves. Let's break it out. All right, let's talk about Queensland's housing market and a fresh policy that's got first home buyers buzzing. The Queensland government, under Premier David Crisafulli, has just made it permanent for first home buyers to rent out a room in their new home without losing their stamp duty concessions or first homeowner grants. This is huge, especially in a state where home ownership is at its lowest in the country and saving for a 20% deposit in Brisbane takes over a decade on average. Here's the deal. Before this change, if you claimed the first home buyer stamp duty concession worth up to $24,525 on a home valued under $800,000, you couldn't rent out any part of your property for the first 12 months without risking losing that concession. Same went for the $30,000 first homeowner grant for new builds. That was a tough pill to swallow for young buyers who wanted to offset mortgage repayments by renting out a spare room. But as of December 2024, the Crisafulli government has axed that restriction, effective for lease arrangements starting on or after September 10th, 2024. You can now rent out a room or even a granny flat while still living in the property as your primary residence and keep all your benefits. Why does this matter? Let's break it down with some numbers. In Greater Brisbane, the median asking rent for a two-bedroom unit is $620 a week. If you're a first home buyer with a $585,000 two-bedroom unit and a 5.89% interest rate, your weekly mortgage repayment could be around $800 with a 10% deposit. Rent out a room for $200 a week, and you're dropping that repayment to about $600, closer to the cost of renting. For a three-bedroom house, you could rent out two rooms and potentially cover even more of your mortgage. This could be a lifeline for single-income buyers or those stretching to afford a bigger property. The policy is part of the Crisafulli government's Securing Our Housing Foundations plan, which also includes scrapping stamp duty on new builds for first home buyers from May 1st, 2025. Treasury estimates this room renting change could benefit 20,000 Queenslanders a year and add thousands of rental rooms to a super tight market where vacancy rates are at record lows. That's a win-win. Buyers get help with their mortgage and renters get more affordable options. But there's a catch. You must live in the property as your primary residence, and renting out the entire property still voids your concessions. So no turning your new home into an Airbnb empire just yet. Industry experts are cheering this on. The Real Estate Institute of Queensland calls it a common sense measure that eases financial strain for buyers and boosts rental supply. But some argue there's also a risk that increased demand from buyers taking advantage of this policy could push prices up, especially for three-bedroom houses under $700,000, which are already hot with first home buyers. So while this is a cracker of a policy, it's not a silver bullet for Queensland's housing crisis. What's the play for you? If you're a first home buyer, this could make a bigger home more affordable by factoring in rental income from day one. But don't get carried away. Make sure you can afford the mortgage without relying on that extra cash, and check with a finance professional to nail down eligibility. If you're hunting for a rental, keep an eye out for more rooms hitting the market. Just don't expect prices to drop too much. Brisbane's market is still tighter than a surfy's wetsuit. That's the wrap for this week's breakout. Queensland's new rule, letting first home buyers rent out a room without losing their concessions, is a massive step toward making home ownership doable. Will it flood the market with rental rooms or just nudge prices higher? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you jumping on this to buy your first home or hunting for a room to rent? If you loved this, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell to stay in the loop. Catch you next week and have a breakout day.